To verify the performance of the Acuity UPLC system, prepare a 90 to 10 water acetonitrile mobile phase. Insert solvent lines A1 and B2, the strong and weak needle wash lines, and the plunger seal wash line into the 90-10 mobile phase. Insert solvent lines A2 and B1 into 100% acetonitrile. Next, enter the Run Samples window in Empower. Here, access to the quick functions, wet priming the binary solvent manager and priming the sample manager are gained by right-clicking the respective control panel editors. For a complete selection of functions, access the Acuity console by clicking its icon in the Sample Manager control editor. Prime the pumps and seal wash of the binary solvent manager by selecting the BSM in the system Launchpad or tree. From the menu bar, choose Maintain and select Wet Prime. The Wet Prime the Pump dialog box appears. Select A1 and B1 as the solvent lines to prime. Enter a run time of at least 10 minutes, then click Start. Repeat the prime for solvent lines A2 and B2. Once the lines are primed, select Maintain and choose Prime Seal Wash. Click Stop Seal Wash to stop the prime. Now prime the sample manager by selecting it from the tree. In the menu bar, select Control and choose Prime. In the Prime dialog box, enter 5 as the number of primes. Each prime will take between 7 and 8 minutes. Do not select Sample Syringe only, as this is only used when trying to remove air bubbles from the syringe and will not prime the injector or needle wash syringes. Now choose Prime. Next, select Maintain and choose Calibrate Seal. The seal calibration finds the position at which the needle obtains a seal on the wash station block. Be sure that the sample manager is primed before starting this procedure. In the Needle Seal Calibration dialog box, click Start. Select Maintain and choose Calibrate System Volume. This will determine the proper volume of the system and account for the compression of the mobile phase being used. Calibrate the system volume whenever you start up the system, change mobile phase, change the needle, change the sample loop, or change any of the syringes. In the Characterized Needle and Sample Loop Volume dialog box, click Start. Finally, select Maintain and choose Add Log Entry. Enter user information and comments about the startup for each component. Next, using the methods provided on this CD, perform the system precision and gradient performance tests using the supplied test samples. Now let's review the system precision chromatogram. Your results should be similar to those shown here. The standard deviation less than or equal to 1 second. The percent RSD for peak height less than or equal to 0.5%, and the percent RSD for peak area less than or equal to 0.9%. Now view the chromatogram of the gradient performance test. Your results should be similar to those shown here. The maximum standard deviation of retention time should be less than or equal to 2 seconds. This now completes the startup of the Waters Acuity UPLC system. If you need further information on the startup of the Acuity UPLC system, refer to the Waters Acuity UPLC System Operator's Guide or call Waters Service Support, 1-800-252-4752 U.S. or Canada, 1-508-482-8070 International.